Today, we're diving into the world of mental decluttering. In our fast-paced, information-saturated world, our minds can easily become overwhelmed and cluttered. This mental clutter leads to stress, anxiety, and a lack of focus that can severely impact our daily lives. But don't worry. In the next few minutes, we'll explore practical strategies to clear your mind and pave the way for a simpler, more focused life. Mental clutter refers to the accumulation of unnecessary thoughts, worries, and information in our minds. It's like having a messy desk, but inside your head. This clutter can take many forms: unfinished tasks that nag at you, negative self-talk that undermines your confidence, outdated beliefs that no longer serve you, constant worries about the future, regrets about the past, and information overload from constant media consumption. To illustrate, imagine trying to find an important document on a desk piled high with papers, sticky notes, and miscellaneous items. That's what it's like trying to focus with a cluttered mind. Now picture that same desk, neat and organized. That's our goal for your mind. This applies to our minds as well as our physical spaces. The impact of mental clutter on our daily lives is profound and far-reaching. When our mind is cluttered, we struggle to focus and complete tasks. We might find ourselves starting multiple projects, but struggling to finish any of them. For instance, we might start an email, switch to organizing files, then end up scrolling social media, completing nothing. Second, increased stress levels. Mental clutter also increases stress levels. We feel constantly on edge, unable to relax even during free time. This chronic stress can lead to physical symptoms like headaches, muscle tension, or digestive issues. Additionally, it complicates decision-making. With so many thoughts competing for attention, making even simple decisions can become overwhelming. Simple choices become overwhelming, depleting mental energy for more important decisions. Lastly, mental clutter impairs creativity. Mental clutter leaves little room for innovative thinking or creative problem-solving. When our mind is full of noise, it's challenging to hear the quiet voice of inspiration. As Albert Einstein wisely noted, "Out of clutter, find simplicity." Now that we understand what mental clutter is and how it affects us, let's explore some effective techniques for mental decluttering. Our first technique is mindfulness and meditation. These practices help us become aware of our thoughts without judgment. By observing our mind, we can identify cluttering thoughts and let them go. Let's try a quick mindfulness exercise right now. Close your eyes if you're comfortable doing so. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Notice the sensation of your breath. As thoughts come into your mind, acknowledge them without judgment and gently return your focus to your breath. Now open your eyes. How do you feel? Even this brief practice can create a moment of mental clarity. Our second technique is brain dumping. This involves writing down all our thoughts, tasks, and worries onto paper. It's a way of transferring mental clutter onto a physical medium, freeing up mental space. Here's how to do an effective brain dump. Write down everything on your mind, no matter how big or small. Don't worry about organization or prioritization yet. Just get it all out. Include tasks, worries, ideas, and anything else occupying your thoughts. Be honest with yourself. No one else needs to see this list. Try this before bed to help clear your mind for better sleep, or first thing in the morning to start your day with clarity. Some people find it helpful to keep a small notebook with them throughout the day to jot down thoughts as they arise. As Marie Kondo, the renowned decluttering expert, says, "Visible mess helps distract us from the true source of the disorder." By getting our thoughts out of our heads and onto paper, we can start to see the true source of our mental clutter. Our third technique is prioritization. Not all thoughts or tasks are equally important. Learning to prioritize helps you focus on what truly matters. Remember, it's okay to say no to tasks that don't align with our priorities. Our fourth technique is a digital detox. In our connected world, constant notifications and information can contribute significantly to mental clutter. Here are the top 3 digital detox strategies to reclaim your mental space. Create tech-free zones and times in your home, like during meals or an hour before bed. Set specific times for checking emails and social media, rather than constantly throughout the day. Try using apps that limit your screen time. Regularly declutter your digital life. Unsubscribe from newsletters and unfollow social media accounts that don't add value. Remember, the goal isn't to eliminate technology, but to use it more intentionally. Our fifth and final technique is physical decluttering. Sometimes, a cluttered physical space contributes to a cluttered mind. Take some time to organize your workspace or living area. A tidy environment can help promote a tidy mind. Start small. Maybe tackle one drawer or shelf at a time. As you declutter your physical space, you might find your mind feeling clearer too. Creating a mental decluttering routine is key to maintaining a clear mind. How can you easily apply these ideas to your life? In the morning, do a quick brain dump of tasks for the day. Prioritize your tasks. Quickly tidy your workspace. In the afternoon, take a short walk and really tune into the sights and sounds around you. Review and update your task list. In the evening, perform another brain dump to clear your mind before sleep. Reflect on what you're grateful for. Plan a brief digital detox time for the next day. Remember, consistency is more important than perfection. It's better to practice for a few minutes every day than for an hour once a week. Start small and gradually build up your routine. Be patient with yourself. Building new habits takes time. The benefits of a decluttered mind are numerous and life-changing. You'll likely experience improved focus and productivity, enhanced creativity, better decision-making skills, reduced stress and anxiety, improved relationships, better sleep, and increased self-awareness. It's like clearing a path through a dense forest. Suddenly, you can see your destination more clearly and move towards it with greater ease. Be patient and kind to yourself as you implement these techniques. Start small, be consistent, and watch as your mind becomes clearer and your life simpler. Begin with just one technique, perhaps a daily mindfulness practice or an evening brain dump. Notice how it affects your mental state and overall well-being. What mental decluttering techniques work well for you? Share them in the comments below. Your insights might help others on their journey. Don't forget to download our free decluttering mind checklist linked in the description. It's a great tool to help you start your decluttering journey.